During my interactions, I get to meet a lot of people, my associate members of middle class families, that talk of demands by their youngsters on their parents to buy them branded clothes, lifestyle accessories, and high-end gadgetry. The parents willingly support and afford their education to good careers, but the demand for lifestyle articles disturbs the salaried budget. I address such youngsters to tell them that extravagance does not make a style. Wearing unbranded and cheap clothes does not mean you are poor. Remember, you have family to feed, not the community to impress. Do not please have the obsession to run with the pack and go in for designer labels. Do you suffer from a complex? You think the branded objects will raise the value of the subject? What you see on page 3 for a while is very short-lived and no one remembers you for your style. Never have this boring allegiance to fashion, as style always translates into posterity. The style is all about enduring. If you do not endure, you are not stylish. Fashion is a form of ugliness so intolerable that we have to alter it every 6 months. I suggest don't buy style, create style. Make and build a good torso, acquire the virtuous habits, be well informed with intelligence and intellect, acquire talents and skills, be respectful in your behavior, and brighten personality by doing meaningful things. Have riches within you and not in your material possessions. Laughter, accomplishments in life, acknowledgements and appreciations, service in the society, shaking hands, putting arms around friends and hugs are attributes of a personality. Life is not qualified by fluent English, branded clothes or rich lifestyle. It is measured by the number of faces who smile when they see you. I ask you a question. What if your clothes, shoes, belt, wristwatch, other accessories and the telephone are not branded? Will you suddenly fall off pedestals of respect and fame for not matching to the coveted status? Will you be walking around unrecognized? No, life is actually about your inner excellence. Excellence of love, of compassion, of generosity, of serving, of wisdom, of purity, of peace, of humility, of quiet courage, of hope, and of never quitting. These change the world and not the brands that you wear, carry, and not beauty, position, wealth, connections, others' approval, etc. Do meaningful things in life to have a significant personality. Style devoid of substance is hollow, like a body without a soul. Understated and modest demeanor speaks volumes for one's style. Wow style must give one the wow feeling, maintaining a fine balance between the traditional and contemporary. One must epitomize the human being, the insan. To stand apart and be noticed for what you represent, one must exude simplicity and compassion. One should be drawn by values and not valuations. Look at your family incomes. Look at the circumstances of the one who is earning. You expect him to pay EMIs for the expensive motorcycle, for the flashy iPhone? Resist from comparing yourself with others. Do not please complain to the parents for not providing the latest gadgets, and do not compete in showing the status. This will raise issues in the family. The financial status or the social status does not make you the elite, but a fulsome personality with qualities.